Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's now more important than ever to clean and disinfect vending equipment often. This process is easy and cost-effective. All components on vending equipment, including electronics, keypads, plastic surfaces, and glass, can be effectively cleaned and disinfected with warm, mild, soapy water. Soap literally demolishes viruses in as little as 20 seconds. If you choose to use a commercial-grade product such as K5 chlorinating sanitizer or Purell food service surface sanitizer, follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and proper ventilation. Never mix these products with ammonia or any other cleanser. Also, check to ensure the product is not past its expiration date. Ensure the machine is switched off before completing any cleaning tasks. When cleaning your vending equipment, we recommend using disposable, non-linting, contact, non-contact, and external cloths. These three cloths are for different parts of the machine. The contact cloth should be used on areas of the machine that the consumer touches. The external cloth should be used on all external surfaces with the exception of areas the consumer touches. The non-contact cloth should be used on internal areas of the machine. When cleaning your machine, you'll also need clean disposable gloves, a plastic scraper, a spray bottle with cleaning solution, and glass cleaner or similar for cleaning the window. Do not apply or spray the soapy water solution directly onto the surfaces that could leak directly onto electrical components such as the keypad or touchscreen. Where this is a possibility, the soapy water should be applied to a clean cloth, which then should be used to wipe the machine's surface. As you sanitize your vending equipment, we advise that you do not use metal scrapers. Do not put any of the machine's internal parts on the floor. Do not take water for cleaning from a toilet area. Always wear protective gloves. Always use the correct cleaning agent for the application and follow the manufacturer's instructions. To help ensure your equipment stays clean and provide peace of mind to consumers, if possible, provide sanitizing wipes at or near your equipment. We also recommend that the person servicing and filling your vending machines is 100% healthy and wearing a protective face mask and gloves. It is always important to reassure your locations that you are using all the necessary precautions for your consumers' health and safety. For more information on best practices to sanitize your vending equipment or other equipment questions, please contact Selectivend at 1-800-282-1944.